Found a roast beef hanging out in the fridge. See, the label's already all blanked out. But figured, hey, why waste them? Just defrost them and throw them on the smoker. Yeah, boy. This shouldn't take long. Alright. She's lit. So you know what that means. Time to go get the roast prepped, seasoned, and on the pan. We smoking. We stay smoking. And here we go. So I'm gonna hit him with that seasoning. It's gonna get a glaze on it too. But the glaze is not gonna have that much brown sugar in it. It's gonna have more of the zesty Italian on it. But other than that, it's gonna be the same as just about as yesterday's Cornish hens. Yep, there we go. Yep, she's going in. Let me get this. Take this again because I'm gonna put it this side up. All right. Where we go? Yep. Got her on there. Like I said, this is going to go for about 3 hours, so I'll give it 1 hour, and then I'll come check on it, see how it's doing. And then we'll take it from there. In the meantime, I'll start prepping my glaze, and I'm going to cook the rice for this also. All right. See you guys in a bit. All right, let's take a look. See what we got going here. There you go. It's coming out good. I think I'm gonna take it off of the pan and put it actually right on the grill. It's a thicker piece of meat, so I wanted to get that foil cooked through. So how about I do that? Hear that sizzle now. We'll do this for about another 45 minutes. Come check on it again and see how that turns out. I'm also going to throw a little bit more charcoal in there. All right, here we go. All right. Got my glaze here. Saucing up. Ready for me to take outside. Start glazing. So let's go do that now. Alright. We're out here. It's dark out here now, so you can see we are smoking still. So it's time to put some of this loveliness on top of it. There we go. You can smell that glaze. Alright, I think that's good enough for now. Wow, you guys getting smoked out. Oh well, you can see it through the smoke. It is glazed up. Alright, so let this go for another 45 minutes, come back out. It should be close. Then I'm gonna do a last half an hour wrapped up in aluminum foil. Alright, let's get it. Alright, take a look at her. What I'm about to do now is wrap it up in some foil with some onions, give it another mop, and it'll be the last hour. Here we go. Want this thing nice and juicy. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, a little bit closer. All right, it's gonna be the last hour. After that, rice should be done and I'll be serving it up. All right, see you guys then. All right, well, it's time to pull this bad baby out. I'm gonna pull it out, let it rest for about half an hour, then I'll serve it up. Let you guys take a look. All right, let's take it inside. Figured I'd give you guys a little sneak peek before I go ahead and cut them up. And I'm just gonna let them rest here. Cover them back up and let them rest. Give about half an hour to rest, and then I'll serve them up. There we have it. Yep, got that smoked roast on there. Got some rice, and the rice I did different today. I just threw onions and corn in it. So that's gonna be my rice. So there you have it. It's a late dinner, but very well worth it. That's right, you guys. All right. See you guys on the next one. Restore the Snyderverse.